So guy, I just want to show this interesting product. This is a BOSNAL and they claim to be eco-friendly plates that are made from the fallen leaves of the areca palm tree, and each plate is hand pressed from a single leaf, which makes them unique. So this is good for you, good for the planet, and this is considered as a eco product. Comes in this pack, and you can see it's a very nice packing of these plates. And I will just try to show you like how this plate look like. It looks like nice packing. So I will just open this vacuum packed one, and here is the plate itself. So as you can see, this is all biodegradable from the leaves. This clean and clear from the top. And as you can see, like they are thin and lightweight, that make them really unique. And it is, I think, one time use, or you can reuse if you are using a dry content on it, or something like that. But for now, this looks like a very lightweight one with the size that you can use. You can put anything or food material, and these are safe to use. You can see like this looks nice. And yeah, I will just put some food in it, and then I will show you that how that things will feel.